Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI and welcome to the future. This little guy right here is a rechargeable, battery operated, flameless arc lighter. This is going to replace matches or any other fuel-based lighter that you have used in the past, whether you're lighting candles or a campfire. This thing is incredible. It's easy to charge. I love the fact that it comes in this beautiful rose gold color. It comes in tons of other colors. I also have the blue and the silver here, and they're all beautiful. This incredible little lighter is from REIDEA. As you can see, it's an arc lighter, which means that it is windproof, flameless, easy to store, you can take it anywhere, and you don't have to worry about the wind blowing out your flame or any other problems that you might have with traditional matches, whether you're lighting your outdoor campfire and bonfire, your fireplace or stove, or you just need it to light a candle. I am so in love with this little gadget. I never knew it existed, and now that I have it, I don't know how I'm gonna live without it. So no matter what you're looking for when it comes to a lighter, I guarantee you that this is going to meet your needs. And the fact that it's rechargeable, waterproof, windproof, fuel-less, and flameless, it's literally the future of lighting anything. So give it a try. I swear you will not be disappointed. And that is my point of view.